These are all the centerpieces I've completed so far. It is 9 of them so far. I still have a few more to go, but I'm about to take a little lunch break because I haven't eaten. I need to stay energized and hydrated. So for now, this is it. Here is a sea of centerpieces. There are so many. My dining room table has never looked this good. It is a total of 16 centerpieces. I absolutely love the fact that I finished these today. I will be placing them in the cooler, and they were designed in this compote centerpiece base, which I really love, and they are definitely on the blush and mauve tone side. That is what the floral proposal and the overall look of the wedding is going to be. So I'm really excited to see these on the guest tables and see what the bride thinks. It's another day, and as you were able to see, I was able to take the centerpieces that I completed yesterday into the cooler space that I rented for the weekend. I still have to complete these 16 centerpieces, which are all bud vases. There's going to be several bud vases per table. And I don't anticipate that taking me very long since the bride does prefer single stem blooms within each bud vase. But right now my priority is to complete both bridal bouquets for each one of those 2 weddings, and then move on to the other personals, which are bridesmaids bouquets. One wedding has boutonnieres, the other one doesn't. And then I also have to complete a flower basket for a flower girl.